Alright, everybody, guess what? Before we finish your other video, we just trapped a chicken, and he's about to die. Alright, Brendan, do the honors.
Atrocious overkill. Is the chicken alive?
Nope. If it's alive, that's one hell of a chicken.
Indeed. Oh, I don't see any chicken. I think we're good.
Wait, no, it's some tough meat.
Oh, no, man.
I blow up all that TNT over there.
Oh, yeah, I forgot I put this down trying to trap a cow.
Alright, dude, that's it. It's good, it's good. We're trying to get back to the other video.
Okay. Blammy. Ah! This has been Blammy Incorporation. Poor sheep. Oh, poor me.
The carnage.
This has been Blammy Inc. Now we're going to take this video, completely delete it, and try it again later. Bye-bye.
Bye.